Hey y'all, Mo here with Tech Up Your Life, and today I'm really excited because we are taking a look at the Deep Sentinel wireless security camera system. And this thing is a nifty device that differentiates itself from some of its rivals like Ring and Arlo by leveraging a powerful artificial intelligence algorithm to identify and prevent threats against your home. And it does so in conjunction with live human-assisted 24/7 guard monitoring for incredibly comprehensive video surveillance and home security. So packaging is really well laid out in the box. You'll find some promotional materials explaining a little bit about how Deep Sentinel works, and although AI and smart home, those terms might sound a little complicated, the Deep Sentinel security camera system is super easy to set up and consists of just two main components. You've got your hub, and then you've got your cameras. So the box is pretty well laid out with everything that you need to get started, including a really simple to follow user guide. Like if you can put together IKEA furniture, you can get the Deep Sentinel system installed. You'll even find some nice touches like a yard sign to warn off would-be criminals and two different boxes which will give you all the components that you need to mount the hardware and also set up the tech side like your power and Ethernet cables. And those are helpfully labeled Install and Connect. The install box features some Deep Sentinel window stickers that you can put on your home, once again, to tell those kids, hey, get off my lawn. You're also going to find the mounting hardware for the outdoor security camera, and hopefully there's even a screwdriver and a masonry bit, so if you live in a brick house, you can still install your security cameras really easily. And this is a pretty nice touch. In the Connect box, you will find the electronic components that you need, including a spare camera battery, a power brick for the hub, and an Ethernet cable so that you can get your Deep Sentinel hub online and communicating with your cameras. As you can see, the Deep Sentinel kit just consists of a hub, a camera or multiple cameras, and any spare batteries. So while the underpinnings might be pretty advanced, it's actually really simple to get set up. The Deep Sentinel hub features 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigabytes of onboard local storage, and there's also cloud storage available for holding video clips. You'll find Deep Sentinel emblazoned upon it in a few areas, and on the back you'll find a USB port, a power jack, and an Ethernet port. Cameras themselves are truly wireless and feature a long 3-month battery life. You'll find two-way audio with a 104 decibel siren. There's a wide 140-degree field of view for capturing lots of activity. There's a quad HD video resolution, which is crisp and better than 1080p. There's an LED floodlight for great night vision performance, an integrated USB charger on the camera, and an IP65 weather resistance rating for withstanding extreme heat, cold, and humidity. So to set up the Deep Sentinel, first, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and plug the hub into your router or modem via an Ethernet cable. And then once you've plugged in your Ethernet cable, go ahead and connect the power cable. And then on the hub, just wait for the green light on the front, which is blinking, to turn solid green. And then once the light turns solid green, fire up the Deep Sentinel companion app on your Android or iOS device and follow the on-screen instructions to get your hub connected. So the Deep Sentinel app experience is pretty basic, but I like the fact that it's so streamlined. You can view the camera's battery capacity and a real-time feed. You can play back recorded clips like this one of me accidentally turning the camera on while trying to get the hub installed. You can check out this video of a cat, which the Deep Sentinel system did not identify as a threat, which may mean that it's not working because my dog would clearly disagree. Cat is definitely a threat. The Deep Sentinel companion app for Android and iPhone is pretty simple, but I do like that you can easily toggle on a live feed for a real-time view of what's going on wherever you've got your camera installed. You can scroll through a history of recently recorded clips. You can view a history by day. There are a few basic settings, and there's even a privacy mode if you want to temporarily stop recording. So you don't get a ton of features in the app, but that's actually kind of a refreshing change of pace, especially for folks who just want a set it and forget it type of video surveillance system that they can install, download the app, and let it do its thing, as opposed to walking through a lot of convoluted setup. Ultimately, Deep Sentinel gives you outstanding video quality, some high-end features like two-way audio, impressive night vision, and its powerful combination of AI crime monitoring with human-assisted video surveillance. You do pay a premium, as this kit starts around $500, and then 24/7 live guard monitoring costs you an extra $100 or more per month. There are also no integrations with other smart home ecosystems, so you can't integrate with Samsung SmartThings, Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, or Apple HomeKit. Of course, by the same merit, that also means that Deep Sentinel is incredibly secure. Overall, I think you get what you pay for, and this is an outstanding video surveillance kit that means you can pretty much install it and forget about it. All right, there you have it. Thanks for watching, y'all. This has been our review of the Deep Sentinel wireless security camera system, and overall, I'm pretty impressed with this thing. If you want to pick one up, you can grab one from the link in the description of this video. Head over to the comment section and let me know what you think of Deep Sentinel and what smart home security cameras you're using to protect your home. If you haven't already done so, make sure to subscribe to the channel for notifications when we post new videos, and head over to our website, techuplife.com, for some awesome editorial content like reviews of other smart home gadgets, buying guides, and how-to articles. In the meantime, don't forget to give your life a tech up.